go. Here's a kitchen. And nice open area. Definitely room for a little table if you move this. Stainless steel appliances. Cabinets look great, nice and clean. You also have a little dining room area over here. A little living room area with a nice barn door on it. Ceilings look a bit higher, probably about 9 foot. Take you over to the bedrooms over here. You have 2 bedrooms on this side. Nice sized bedroom. Reach-in closet. You got engineered wood in the bedrooms here. Going over to the second bedroom and tile through the rest. Looks very clean. Not much to do. Second bedroom over here, again with engineered wood. Yeah. Turn here, give you a view. There we go. And going through the closet, you can see the over to the living room area with a dining room. And over to the master. King size bed in here. It's not a huge master, but it's good size. There we go. Into the master bath. It's a shower. Top. Toilet area and closet. There's some nice little built-ins in here. Okay, out to the patio area. Hot tub does stay. A little extended lanai out here, which is nice, little doggy door. Park setting they just put them back here. Nice little palm trees. They did a really nice job. There we go. Go back in. Definitely move-in ready. garage over here. Good sized 2-car garage. They put insulator on the door. It's a nice deep garage too. Definitely plenty of room. Take you outside and show you the neighborhood a little bit. Nice little patio porch here, undercover. Cute little neighborhood. Definitely nice. Across the street. Windy, sorry.